Welcome to Center for Technology-Enabled Education series of tutorial videos. First time using your MyLPU account? This video will show you how to access it for the first time. Open any of your preferred browser, then type in kavita.lpu.edu.ph, which will direct you to LPU's official website. From the menu, click Students, and then choose MyLPU e-learning portal. This space has all the information about MyLPU. Scroll down and you will see the link to the actual site. Now, we click on the highlighted link. This is the homepage for MyLPU e-learning system. To log in your account, click the Login button at the right side of the panel. You must use the credentials we have sent to your email to log in. Enter your username in the form of firstname.lastname@lpu.edu.ph. Then use the provided default password. You can change that later on. Click on the Login button to proceed. All users who log in for the first time will be prompted to change their password. Kindly read carefully the instructions for acceptable passwords. Fill the current password field with the default password. Then fill the new password field with your preferred password twice. Once you are done, click on the Save Changes button. The page will rightfully display a successful change of password notice. Click the Continue button to proceed to the main page. You may now access the MyLPU e-learning system and enjoy its features.